Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Ratna Herawati dari Universitas Pamulang dengan NIM 21 dengan NIM 20 10 10 55 0004. Saya dari kelas SMJE 001. Di sini saya akan menceritakan tentang kehidupan saya dalam berbahasa Inggris. Yuk kita simak videonya. Di sini saya akan menceritakan kehidupan saya dalam bahasa Inggris untuk memenuhi tugas dari dosen bahasa Inggris saya. Kita simak yuk videonya. In early 2020, Indonesia became one of the countries exposed to the COVID-19 virus. Not a few negative impact that emerged from this pandemic. For example, about the economy, education, and social. These three factors are the ones most affected by the pandemic situation. In this video, I will focus more on discussing the negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on economy factors, and will focus more on discussing the difficulty of finding work in this pandemic situation. Before continuing the discussion, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ratna Herawati. My friend usually call me Bona, and you can also call me Bona. I was born in Jakarta, 11 November 1996. My hobby is playing guitar while singing, but I prefer playing guitar than singing. I live on Jalan Pekojan, Tambora, West Jakarta. I am the second child of 3 siblings. I graduated from high school in 2018. Of course, I should have graduated in 2007, but due to family economic factor, I was forced to postpone my high school education. At the age of 14, I decided to start working as a factory worker. Most of the salary I earn are saved, and some of it I give to my mother in addition to meeting the needs of daily life. As for my sister, she preferred to continue her studies to college. The economic situation at that time, according to her, was a blessing because with such circumstances, it was easier for her to get scholarship. According to her, poverty is not always a disaster. She believed that only knowledge could help a person to become rich. My sister's motivation has opened my eyes. That is true, that only education can help my family's life in a better direction. In 2011, when she graduated from college, she immediately worked in an office with a salary 2 times greater than my salary. Meanwhile, I who have worked for more than 4 years only have a salary that is no bigger than her. Although I am much more experienced at work than my sister. With my educational background, being only a junior high school graduate, it was difficult for me to get a decent job with a decent salary. Therefore, in 2016, I decided to continue my education. I want to be like my sister. She worked in a well-known company with a big salary. My sister is my motivation to stay in school until I have a bachelor's or even a master's degree so that I can get a better life. I decided to go to a package C school so that I could get a high school diploma. In early 2018, I managed to get a high school diploma. Then after getting it, I decided to look for a better job. In February 2018, I got a job with a salary more than the previous one. At the beginning of 2020, I decided to continue my studies. However, the intention to go to college did not actualize at that time due to COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic has had a devastating impact on the company I work for. The company's revenue decreased due to a decrease in work activity. Several employees were laid off, including me. This pandemic situation has made it difficult for me to find a new job because my companies are actually reducing employees rather than adding employees. I tried everything I could get a decent job. Every day, I try to submit job application to companies via email or come directly to the location. However, the results seem in vain. The number of cases infected with the COVID-19 virus is increasing day by day. The government is increasingly tightening its policy of not leaving the house. In line with that, more and more companies are reducing employees. It even went bankrupt because there was no production activity and no products that could be sold. In the early period of the pandemic, it really had a negative impact on the economy. However, life must go on. Everyone is still forced to make money in order to meet their daily needs. Me too, I need to quickly find a new job. 4 months after I was laid off from the company, I finally found a new job. Because the situation was still in a pandemic situation, the company gave me a very cheap salary and below my salary in my previous job. However, I still accept it because I have felt how difficult it is to get a job in the current pandemic situation. 4 months after I worked at the company, I decided to go to college because I assumed that if I had a bachelor degree, maybe I would have no trouble finding a job. Early in 2021, until now, I officially become a student at Pamulang University, and my current goal in life is to graduate from this campus with good result. After getting a bachelor degree, I will look for a job that is willing to give me a decent salary. These are the stories of my life. Thank you for your attention.